guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have like an insanely large Bath & Body Works haul for you. It's pretty much, I would say, 80% candles and then a few body care items I picked up at the store recently. So I want to show you guys everything. It is time for fall candles. You guys know I'm a huge Bath & Body Works candle junkie. I absolutely love candles and I love everything that smells good, so Bath & Body Works is like my store. They had some really cool new candles this year that I wanted to show you guys, and some new body care, and then they did send me a couple candles too that I wanted to quickly show you as well, some of their classics. So let's go ahead and get started. These candles should be available in store and some of them are online only, so keep that in mind. I'll try to link everything down below too if you guys are online shoppers, but Bath & Body Works always has really good coupons as well and candle sales, so I usually never buy them full price. I always wait for a sale. Okay, so let me just get my body care out of the way first. They had their fall scents out and I'm so excited about this one. This is the Toasted Praline and Pear. It's pretty similar to, I think it's their golden harvest pear or something like that. That was so good a few years back. And this one's very similar. It's not exactly the same, but it's good enough for me. It smells delicious and sweet and it kind of almost like this toasted graham cracker note to it. I don't know. And it has notes of poached pear, toasted praline, graham cracker. It does have graham cracker. I knew it smelled like that. And then tonka beans. So this smells so good. If you guys are food scent lovers, you guys need this in your life. The Ultra Shea body cream, and they have this cute little plaid across it. It's so fall. They also had this new scent as well, the Wild Blackberry and Vanilla. So I picked up the lotion in this too. This one has the blue packaging. The notes on this one are blackberry, nectar, whipped vanilla, golden amber, and creamy sandalwood, and this smells really good as well. It's fruity, but you also get that really sweet vanilla note. So I am loving these scents for fall. These are my top two that I would recommend. But also they brought back the Bonfire Bash scent, which is so good as well. I already have the lotion from either last year or from a couple of years ago, but this smells like Marshmallow Fireside, so if you guys love that candle, you guys need the body care as well. I just picked up the shower gel. Since I'm not out of my lotion yet, there's no need to buy it back up, but this is so good. The notes are vanilla bourbon, creamy sandalwood, and cashmere musk. Yum. It has that really nice, like, it's kind of a cologne-y, kind of smoky scent to it. I really enjoy it. And then I got this soap as well because I needed to spend like $3 extra, but this is the Give Thanks soap. I kind of just randomly grabbed it. It has notes of harvest pumpkin, spiced clove, and sugar cane. It actually smells really good. And I love the gray packaging. But yeah, this totally reminds me of fall. It smells like crisp apples, but that fall like spice note, so this one's really good. So that's the body care I got and the soap stuff. Let me know if there's any scents that you guys think I need to try. Let's get into all the candles I picked up. So I tried to get pretty much new ones. First up is the Coconut Macaron candle. This one has notes of toasted coconut, fresh baked cookie, vanilla bean, touch of spice with essential oils. And I feel like this smells like the pumpkin coconut that they had a couple years back. I feel like it's very similar. But yeah, it smells really good. There's not a ton of coconut in it. It's a nice like sweet, but has that pumpkin spice in it. Oh, this one's a backup, but this is the pumpkin peanut brittle. Oh my gosh, you guys. This came out last year and oh, it is so good. You guys don't even know. If you haven't tried it yet, please try it. It is just delicious. It has notes of crunchy caramel brittle, salty peanuts, toasted pumpkin seeds with essential oils, and it definitely reminds me of like a yummy, delicious caramel. Not too much pumpkin, but it's a really sweet caramely scent. So good. This one is new as well. This is the Peach Cobbler. I used to love their, oh my gosh, Market Peach candle that Bath & Body Works used to do. So this one sounded fun for fall. It has notes of juicy peach slices, cinnamon sugar, golden baked pie crust with essential oils. And this one to me, it does definitely smell like a delicious fresh peach. It smells a little bit like Market Peach, but it has that like pie note to it as well, like the little crust from the graham crackers. which makes it really delicious. So I'm excited to burn this one. So those are the ones I got in store. Let me get into my online order. First up, I think this one is online only, but you guys know me. I have like an obsession with banana scents, so I have to try like all of them. This is the banana cream pie, which is new for fall. It has notes of fresh banana slices, whipped cream, a scoop of peanut butter, cookie crumble crust with essential oils. It smells really good, but it's very light scented. Like I can barely smell it. But I do get a soft banana note to it. It kind of just smells like a fresh banana. Next one is also an online only one. This is the PB&J candle. Of course I had to try this one out. It has notes of fresh strawberry jam, toasted bread, crunchy peanut butter, and a drizzle of honey. This is the first time I'm smelling this. And I don't really get peanut butter and jelly at all. It almost has a perfume scent to it. I don't know if it's because it's been sitting in with the rest of my candles and that's why. But I do not smell peanut butter and jelly at all with this one. Let me know if you guys have tried this one yet. Next, I got Cider Lane. This is another one of my all-time fall favorites. I have like 2 backups of it, but I needed to have one more because this one is just delicious. It reminds me of just a yummy caramel apple scent. The notes are warm caramel, Granny Smith apple, dark brown sugar, and ground clove. And yeah, this one's just classic every time. Must have delicious caramel apple. Next one I have here is the pumpkin pie. They came out with this candle, oh, it was like 4 or 5 years ago as a test scent. I don't know if it's been out permanently until now, but the notes of this one are creamy pumpkin, vanilla cream, fresh ground nutmeg, and graham cracker crust. And it smells just like the test scent that I had. It's not, to me, not really a pumpkin pie scent. It's just like really pumpkin-y. Pumpkin pie is just like really sweet, and this one has a lot of spice to it. So I don't know. It's definitely like a pumpkin scent. I'm not like a huge fan of it, but I wanted to have it maybe to burn around Thanksgiving or something like that. And then the last one I have to show you guys, which is another online exclusive. This is Sugared Snickerdoodle, which I really wanted to try. It has notes of warm spices, creamy vanilla, and sugared musk. I don't know what's up with these candles, but this one does not smell like Snickerdoodle at all. This smells like a repeat scent. I can't put my finger on it though. I don't know, it's really light. I'll have to test that one out too, but I'm kind of like, what is up with these online candles? I'm not like that impressed with them, but I'm just all about the classics. I would say my favorites just from smelling them cold sniff is definitely Cider Lane, which is a classic. The peach cobbler is also really good. And then pumpkin peanut brittle you must try. And then this coconut macaroon one is actually really good as well. Those are my favorites. Let me get into this box I got from Bath & Body Works for PR. They sent over some candles as well. So I wanted to show you guys what they sent to. Just because they sent a bunch of their classic scents. But look at this cute little mailer. It's adorable. It says, we just launched 50 plus new candles to celebrate fall. XOXO Bath & Body Works. So they sent over the classic leaves candle, which is one of my faves. I'm so happy to have a backup of this. This is essential in the fall time, and I love the little reindeer on there and the owl. It's so cute. The notes of this one are crisp red apple, golden nectar, and warm clove spice. And this one, I don't even know how you would describe it, but it's kind of like when you walk into like a Hobby Lobby or a Michael's during fall. It's just like that delicious apple spice garland, everything, deliciousness. And then we also have the Honeycrisp Apple. This one, it might be a new one. It says Golden Honeycrisp Apple Blossom Fresh Sugar Cane. It smells kind of like Country Apple Body Care. It's very like a true apple scent, but it has this little bit of perfume note to it that makes it definitely interesting. So I would say this is definitely like a dupe for the Country Apple Body Care. And then we have another classic Marshmallow Fireside. This is another one that I always hoard. This one has a special place in my heart. It was like the first Bath & Body Works candle I ever bought, and I've just been obsessed with it since day one. The notes are toasted marshmallow, smoldering woods, fire roasted vanilla, and crystallized amber. And it just smells like a delicious, sweet vanilla scent mixed with a little bit of smokiness cologne. It is so strong and it fills up your house and it's amazing. Definitely recommend this one. Okay, they also sent over the blueberry maple pancakes, which I don't know if this one's exactly new or it's very similar. They always do some sort of blueberry scent for fall. The notes are wild blueberries, griddle fresh pancakes, and warm maple syrup. I'm pretty sure we've had this one before. But if you guys like blueberry fruitiness, this you need. It just straight up smells like delicious blueberry. I know this one is very strong, at least the ones that I had in the past like fill up the whole room. It's delicious. But yeah, that one smells so good. And then we also have the Fresh Fall Morning. I think this one's new. It has notes of citrus zest, woodland sage, red delicious apples. This one smells to me like my husband just got out of the shower. It's like a really nice cologne scent, like a body wash. It smells really good. I wouldn't say it's like fall, but it's one of those cologne scents that just, I don't know, I really enjoy all year round. So I think I'm definitely gonna like this one. And then last but not least, we have Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin, which is basically a classic from them. And to be honest, I've never actually bought this candle in my life. I don't like pure pumpkin scents. I never liked the body care either, but maybe I'll have to try it out and see how it is. I feel like this is just like the epitome of fall is Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin. It has notes of warm cinnamon, fresh ground clove, vanilla cream, and brown sugar. It's not too bad. It's just very strong. Like I feel like this might be one that would give me a headache because it's like, it has a lot of spice to it, but it smells good. I don't know, I feel like this could be really strong. I'll have to try it and let you guys know if I like it, but I know this one is such a classic from them. Alright guys, that is my haul. I've kind of collected all my candles over here. We had a lot of fun stuff to go over, but basically now you guys have an idea of all the new fall stuff that is out right now and a few of my favorites that I would recommend. I'll also put my favorites in the description box with links so you guys can check it out. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below, of course, any new scents that you tried at Bath & Body Works that you've been loving. Fall time is just like my favorite for all of the stuff, all of the good smelling things. So that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later.